Jesus. The road will not always be easy. We'll face many challenges. These challenges will always test our courage, weakness, and faith. Life also is the gift of God in the form of trust. It is a continuous, ongoing process that has to end someday. We are all unique. No one will be born like you, and no one will be ever like you.
Amen.
The fear of death always threatens our life. If you give your life to Jesus, you'll go to heaven and live eternal life.
Amen.
Lastly, we should love our family